Hello and welcome. This is Amanda the Nerdy Crafter, and it is Christmas Eve evening, and I got myself a Christmas present, and I've been waiting to open it. Um, and there's actually a little present in here for my mom, so I need to open it tonight so I can give her her part of it. But I did splurge on Black Friday weekend, and I got myself a new glass board, and also some of the accessories to come with it. So I'm so excited to open this up. You get to open it up with me for the very first time. So here we go, checking out all the goodies. So I got one of the new organization systems that goes on your desk, and this is going to be so much fun to use with my markers. I can place my markers in here when I'm watercoloring, and this will stick right on my desk. I did get a second one for my mom. She's the purple or pink, and I'm the purple. So this one is a gift for mom. I did get myself some more purple accessories. So the ruler, which I love. This is going to be great to help me glue things down. I have so much collection of purple stuff. I'm so excited. I actually watched Nancy Stamps open some of this stuff, and I'm like, oh, must have. It's her fault. One of the ink holders that will go on my glass mat. These ones are the smaller ink cubes holders. Ooh, the trays that will go on the side of the mat. And then I got a second set for mom. So those ones are for mom. And then last but not least, I'm going to move this big box out of the way and pull out the final box in here. So I received this glass mat as a present when I went to Creativation last year in Seattle. And it was a gift that they were giving out to some of the attendees. So I absolutely love this, and I'm going to keep this one in my travel bag because it's nice and small and lightweight. I don't have a big working area here, so I chose to go with the same size, but this one is glittery and shiny, and you can see the little glitter and glaze that's in there. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Absolutely so pretty. I've been waiting to open this, loving it so much. I will put a link down below with my affiliate link with them. I does not charge you anything extra to use my affiliate link, but they do say thank you to their affiliates for helping advertise the product. I love these mats. I have no clue what I've done without them for so long, but I love the fact that the magnets just keep everything in place. These new trays are going to be fabulous for putting things off on the side so I can stay organized with the projects that I'm working on. I know where everything's at. And with a small workstation, you really need to make sure you're organized. I've been waiting for the ruler for so long, and just to have it all match. Love it to pieces. My ink cubes, so I can place my ink cubes in there while I'm working. It holds different sizes, so that's nice to have that accessory. And then last but not least, the organization tray, which I'm going to play with. It looks like you can slip these out and put them in different configurations, which is going to be fabulous. I love the fact that I can set all my pens, my rulers, everything being organized right here, right on my desk, and I know where everything's at. So thank you so much for joining me. I've been waiting to open this. It's kind of my present for finishing all of my Advents. It came about halfway through my Advents, and I'm like, oh, I can't open it quite yet. I should wait and do it at the very end. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, a happy new year, and I will see you in 2026. Take care. Goodbye.